Hey, tech enthusiasts, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned techie or just curious, these tips will up your game. First off, let's talk about access. Head to OpenAI's website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see a sleek, user-friendly interface. Now, here's the fun part, starting a conversation. Click on the chat box and just type your question or prompt. For example, you can ask, "What's the weather like today?" Or explain quantum physics in simple terms. The key here is clarity. Be as specific as possible for the best responses. Want to get even better answers? Use context. If you're asking for coding help, mention the language. "Hey, can you help me debug this Python script?" This narrows down the focus and makes ChatGPT more effective. Up next, fine-tuning. If the initial response isn't quite right, don't worry. You can ask follow-up questions or provide more details. Think of it as a conversation with a knowledgeable buddy. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Use the regenerate response button. If the answer you get is off, click it to get a fresh take. Sometimes a different angle is all you need. And finally, remember you can save great conversations. Bookmarking or copying the text can be a lifesaver for future reference. So there you have it. With these tips, you're all set to make the most out of ChatGPT. Dive in, experiment, and have fun exploring the possibilities. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.